Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. Today is Tuesday and I have a day off work, so me and Josh are going to go out for kind of like a day date. We're going to go for lunch somewhere kind of cute. We're going to see if we can find somewhere to sit outside because it's still nice and hot here in Australia, even though it is autumn now I believe. So it's really weird being in a country where the seasons are different everywhere else in the world. Like everyone's like, oh, it's finally spring, and I'm like, it's autumn here. I have put some eye cream on, some moisturiser, some lip balm. I have tried to sort my eyebrows out a bit because my eyebrows just grow so fast. I feel like I need to do them like once a week. So I've kind of done those, but I'm just going to do some makeup. I might do something to my hair, put a nice outfit on, so let's get ready. I'm someone that doesn't own a lot of makeup, so I feel like whenever I do these makeup videos, my makeup just kind of always looks the same, but I might do a different eye look or something, or I might put some eyeliner on, because I put eyeliner on the other day and I realised I think I look a lot better when I wear eyeliner. I'm really bad at putting mascara on. It normally goes like all over my eyelids, so when I use eyeliner, my mascara looks a lot better. So I'm just using this BB cream, which I have been enjoying, but it's not very full coverage. So if you're someone that likes full coverage, I would not recommend this. But it's the Maybelline Dream Satin BB cream. It's nicer to use when it's hotter outside than using a really full coverage foundation. I should use a mirror really. I've been trying to talk to more people with smaller YouTube channels because I'd really like to, you know, get into a YouTube community and make some friends with people that have YouTube channels. So I've been talking to Phoebe recently, who I actually went to uni with. Her channel's just Phoebe Auger. I'll link it on the screen and down below. And we said we might do a collab when I'm back in England, because that'd be fun to do. And then I've been talking to these two twins called Helen and Sarah on Instagram, and they both seem really nice, and we actually live quite near each other back in England, so might meet up with those two when I'm back in England. And I've also been talking to Evie from, I think her channel's Everyday Evie, yeah, or Everyday, no, I'm pretty sure it's Everyday Evie. I've been talking to her quite a bit on Instagram. She seems really nice. She did a box swap, like a mystery box swap video with another girl called Alex. And I watched Alex's video this morning. She did a like, my Instagram followers choose my makeup, and she like did her makeup based on like what her Instagram followers chose, and I thought that was a cool video, so I might do a video like that one day, although I don't have much makeup to choose from. But anyway, if you are watching this video and you have a smaller YouTube channel and you'd like to get to know each other or something, then message me on Instagram or something, because I'm very open to meeting some people that do Instagram, not that do YouTube, because I'd like to make some YouTube friends, you know. Maybe we could go to Summer in the City together or something, because I've never been to any of those like VidCon or Summer in the City events, but I wouldn't mind going to one time. I might go this year, who knows. So yeah, if you have like a smaller YouTube channel, comment your YouTube channel down below and I will have a look at it, or your Instagram, and I'll message you, or message me on Instagram. We can all be friends together. I'm just using this Lasting Perfection concealer. It's the only concealer I ever really use because it's cheap and it works. I'm running out of that though, and I'm pretty sure they don't sell this in Australia. So if you're from Australia and know any good concealers, let me know a good one that is affordable. I've been enjoying blending concealer with a brush, so I'm just going to use this small little brush. It's from Spectrum Brushes, but I'm really excited to go out to lunch. I got paid today, so I've got some money to spend. So yeah, me and Josh have just decided to go out for lunch somewhere. We think we might go into like South Brisbane because they have a lot of nice restaurants there and stuff, and I just really want to sit outside. It's cloudy today though, which is annoying, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain. I feel like blending in concealer with a small brush takes a lot longer to do, but it looks a lot better. I've just completely gone off beauty blenders. Like, I do think they work, but they just get so dirty so quickly. I just can't afford to like keep buying them like once a month because they're so hard to wash. So yeah, I just really prefer using my brushes because they're easy to clean and they work just as well really. Next, I'm just going to set that with some powder. I don't like to use too much powder. I tried baking once and it just really didn't work for me. It made my makeup look so bad. I feel like because I have dry skin, if I then try to bake and use like a lot of powder like under my eyes and stuff, my makeup just like clings to the dry patches on my skin. So I literally just use like the tiniest bit of powder and I try to like just use that really sparingly. Next, I'm going to use bronzer. If you watched my last makeupy video, you will know that my bronzer smashed, so I've been using an eyeshadow, and I still haven't bought a new bronzer, so I'm still using an eyeshadow. But I just really like the colour of this eyeshadow as a bronzer, so it's been working well for me. I just use, this is a Morphe palette, the lid's broken. I'm also not sure what Morphe palette this is, but it's just one of the like square ones. And I've been using this colour. It's matte, which is good, and it's just like a nice mix between orange and brown. You know, you can get some bronzers and some are like really orange, and then you get others and some are like really brown and like muddy, but this is just a really nice colour. And because it's an eyeshadow, it's really pigmented, so look, it just works so well. If you ever run out of bronzer, I'd recommend just using some eyeshadow. I also like to put bronzer like just off my nose because I feel like it makes it look like a natural tan. I feel like my hair has just been falling out everywhere recently. Like everywhere I sit, I just like find little bits of my hair everywhere. It's really annoying. My face just has a little bit more colour now. And yeah, I really like putting bronzer just like around my nose area because it makes me look much more like a natural tan, you know, not too fake. And then because I don't have much of a jawline, I'm going to put some bronzer like around here. It also makes my double chin not look as prominent. So yeah, we're not sure where we're going to go out for lunch yet. I'm thinking maybe like, I really fancy like some Italian food, maybe like pizza. I haven't had pizza in literally ages. I can't even tell you the last time I had a pizza. But yeah, I've noticed that in Australia, they don't have you know, like in England we have things like chain restaurants that aren't fast food restaurants, so places like Zzz's or Byron Burger, so they're like chains and they have those in a lot of places, but it's not like a fast food place. Australia doesn't really have a lot of that. Like they either have like independent restaurants or they have a fast food restaurant. So it's really difficult when you're trying to find somewhere to eat. You literally have to like go on Google Maps and like try and find somewhere brand new each time, but at least you get to try a lot of different places. Next I'm just going to use this Revolution highlighter, which I've literally had for ages now, and I'd really recommend it because I think I paid like £2 for this. It's really nice. It's not got like chunks of glitter or anything in it. It just gives you a really nice glow. I'm going to put that on my cheekbones, then on the other side. Such a great highlighter, I love it. And then I'm gonna put a tiny bit on my nose and on my cupid's bow. That is my base finished, so I am now gonna do my eyes, and I want to do something a bit different to my eyeshadow because literally all I normally use is the same Morphe palette, and I use this orangey shade and the brown shade I use for my bronzer, and I like mix those together and put it on my eye, and that's literally it. But I've got some nice colours in here, and I've also got this Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, which I don't use that often, so what should I do today? I have this cool like sparkly red colour that I might try and use. I might use that with the orange colour here. I'm trying to get better at makeup, so if this does not go well, oh well. I really enjoy wearing an orange eyeshadow because it's not too out there, but it's still a nice colour and it looks really good with the tan. I'm just putting that orange all over my lid. I've really been enjoying work recently. Everyone that I work with is really nice and everyone's very open to making friends. A lot of the places where I've worked before, I found it really difficult to make friends because you know when you like go into work somewhere new and everyone's already like got their friendship groups, so no one's really that open to making new friends. But at this one, it was like a brand new opened restaurant, so like everyone really just wants to be friends with each other and it's really nice. and my manager said I'm doing a good job, so that's always nice to hear, isn't it? Okay, so I've just done orange all over my lid, and then I'm going to take this reddy colour. I'm just going to put that in the outer corner. I feel like you really don't need a lot of that. Trying to blend it out a bit. And just doing the other eye. I feel like this is a lot darker than I would normally have my eyeshadow, but I think it looks quite nice. Okay, I feel like this eye looks a lot better than this eye, but oh well, I'm no makeup artist. I'm just trying to do something a bit different. Okay, I'm then gonna get this little brush and just take some of the orange underneath my eye. Okay, that is my eyeshadow finished. Actually, no, I'm going to put some of the highlighter in my inner corner. I'm just gonna use this little brush, pop that in there. Try and brighten it all up a little bit. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows because they're looking a little bit grey. So I'm just going to take this Morphe palette again and use the colour right in the middle. It's just this dark brown colour. And I don't do too much to my eyebrows. I just try and make them look the same because my eyebrows don't normally look the same. Josh is currently at the gym, but I decided I didn't want to go until later, but I've really been enjoying going to the gym recently. I've been trying to lift like heavier weights, and I've been trying to just like find things that I enjoy doing, because I feel like when you find what you like, then you're more inclined to go to the gym more. So yeah, I really enjoy like trying to lift a heavier weight. I've discovered I thought I'd actually like really hate it, but I enjoy it, and you can like really feel your muscles like trying to lift heavier weight, and yeah, I've just been enjoying it. So glad like I'm still going, even though like I'm at work most days. But yeah, it's going good. If you'd ever like me to let you know what kind of things I do at the gym, let me know. Although I don't, I just kind of like wing it most of the time. Try and find something that I like to do. Okay, that's my eyebrows done. They don't look too bad today. I think I did an okay job at making them look the same. Next I'm going to put on some eyeliner. I went through a phase of wearing eyeliner every day, and then I realised that like my makeup looked the same when I go out to in the day, and I didn't like that, so I stopped wearing it in the day, but I do think it looks better on me, so I'm going to put it on today. I hope you can still see me. Okay, just need to do a little flick. That one didn't go very well. I do think the trick with doing good eyeliner is that you just have to go for it. Like if your hands are a bit shaky and like you're scared, then it's just gonna go wrong. But if you just really go for it, it normally goes well. Okay, that is my eyeliner, if you can see. Probably not the best, but the pen I have isn't that good, so I'm just going to do mascara. I still have this one that I don't really like, it's just the Maybelline Colossal, but it will do. I'm really running out of this mascara, so this is going to take a while. I really can't decide if I should do something with my hair or not. I like kind of can't be bothered, but I know that my hair just always looks a lot better when I do something to it. I have been filming for a long time. Okay, that is my makeup done. Fun fact about me, I never really wear lipsticks because I have very dry and sensitive lips, and I find that when I use a lot of lipsticks it instantly dries out my lips, and I also don't really like the shape of my lips, so when I put lipstick on you can really see the shape of them, so I just really like the look of no lipstick. So I'm going to put some Vaseline on them though because they're very dry at the moment, so let me just go get some Vaseline. Just got this pot of Vaseline. This looks like lip gloss, so it's good. That is the finished makeup. I'm just going to take my hair down and see what my hair looks like because I don't want to do anything to it really. Yeah, so I washed my hair yesterday and I just dried it. I've been enjoying drying my hair instead of leaving it to dry naturally. I just think it looks a lot better and it stays in a better condition when I dry it. So yeah, I've been drying it more. I'm not going to do anything to my hair because I don't really want to, but I am going to get changed. So I'm quickly going to get dressed and then I will show you what outfit I choose. It's not going to be something crazy because even though we're going on like a little day date, it's just to go somewhere for lunch, and I'm not really one to dress up a lot for going out for lunch. So this bit of hair is so annoying, it just doesn't go anywhere. So yeah, let's go find an outfit. Okay guys, so I've just gotten changed, and because I didn't decide to do anything really to my hair, I've put a hat on because I haven't worn this hat in ages and I actually really like it. I've gone for a jumpsuit. I will show you it full length in a moment. It's just this stripy jumpsuit, and it's got like orange, blue, navy, black and white and yellow stripes running through it, and I feel like this jumpsuit just really fits me very well. I actually think it's meant to be culottes on most people, but because I'm really short, I'm like 153 centimeters for reference. Yeah, this is a full length jumpsuit on me, so I really like it, and then I've just paired that with my white Air Force trainers. So yeah, that is my outfit. I actually really like this outfit. I normally get a lot of compliments when I wear it, so yeah, this is what I've gone for. Let me just show you the finished makeup without the hat on because I feel like it makes the lighting go weird. So this is the finished makeup. I really like it. It just makes my skin look nice, and it's not too much coverage on my skin because I did just use a BB cream. And then on my eyes, they're probably a bit darker than I would normally go, but yeah, I really like them. I think they look quite nice and, you know, a bit different to what I would normally use. This is my finished makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't normally do too many makeup videos on my channel because I'm not someone that wears makeup every day, and I'm not someone that thinks they're very good at makeup. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to get out for dinner now because I am really hungry. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys very soon with the next one. Leave me a comment down below if you got to the end of this video, letting me know any video requests or anything you'd like to see from me, because I could always do with some more video requests because I've run out of videos quite a lot. Hopefully I will be filming some more videos for you guys very soon, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you got to the end of this video, because if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll like all of my other videos too, and I have a lot more videos coming up very soon. Also give this video a big thumbs up because that really helps my channel out. I'm not really sure how, but it does. Thank you guys for watching.